What's going on, guys? Yushikinoa here. Welcome back to another Minecraft tips and tricks videos. I think it's episode 2. I haven't done one in a while because I haven't found any tricks in Minecraft, like glitches, all that stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to duplicate items in Minecraft. Yeah, just Minecraft. So basically, this little contraption right here is what I used to duplicate items. I recently found this out a long time ago. I found it on YouTube. I'll link the person I found it from. So yeah, this is what the person did. So apparently he used redstone repeaters because apparently it's actually really useful. And it's actually really smart. So like this, you're gonna need like I think 21 redstone repeaters and like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 redstone dust. And a button and 2 pistons in a chest. So what you want to do, like exactly the way it is, like place a button right here, lag, oh geez, then place 3 redstone repeaters, max takes all the way back, then put a redstone dust in the corner followed by more lag, then put 3 more redstone repeaters, max takes, redstone dust right here, then put redstone repeaters this way, max tick, and a piston in front of this one with a chest as well. After you done that, get lag. Alright, 4 more redstone repeaters, max tick, redstone dust in the corner, see a zombie over there, think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 redstone repeaters, max tick, 2 redstone dust, and then name slipped out, redstone repeaters, a dust, and then piston to push the chest back in the original position. Let me just kill this zombie real quick. Hold on a second. I hit it, he'll die soon. Yeah, he died. So what you can do, get any item that you want. For example, I'll put a wither skeleton skull in there. And for Windows, for like other editions like Windows 10 is gonna be easy, but the Pocket Edition, say more mobile edition, is actually gonna be kind of difficult. Or for me, it's easy. So what you want to do, like, since it's gonna be on max tick, it's gonna go slow. When this one lights up, this one specifically right here, the second to last one from the piston with next to the chest, you're gonna have to make sure it's selected. And once you see that, that's on the right corner, the second to the last one, comparator piston next to the piston. I hope you guys know what I'm saying. If you guys don't, then just go watch the video that I found it from. But once that middle repeater lights up, like a quick split second, you're gonna have to grab it as the chest is about to like move to the other side. So like let me just try and show it. Right, hang on a second. Alright, I can see it. Press this button, select it, and look, you see, look at that, look, see, I did it. Did you see it? It's like, look, you want to make sure you're like in a good position where you can see the redstone repeater, that one where I'm selected at. Click the button, open the chest, make sure you're selected on the item, and then when that thing lights up, this one right here, quickly grab it as the chest is about to move. Well, you won't be able to see it move. I don't even know what the freak I'm saying anymore. Listen, alright, just listen. Click this chest, make sure you're selecting the item. When that middle repeater blinks, quickly take it out of the chest and it'll push back. And glitched Minecraft, you'll get a second item. For example, right here. Alright. Can I see it? I can see it. Yeah, for example, potatoes. Click this button, make sure it's selected, click that. Okay, it didn't work that time. Let's try letter. You need to like get a few times if it didn't work the first time. Okay, I think I did it too early. I'm doing it one more time for you guys because it's gonna get really confusing. Again, watch the video I got it from. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. Because I'm really bad at explaining to other people. Look, see? Look, it worked, alright? You see? There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, alright? If you don't understand, look at the video in the description below, link, as I always said. I'll see you guys next time. Leave me alone. I'm bad at explaining, alright?